Here we are prepping for plow day. Getting this plow all cleaned up, making sure that the trip mechanism is all clean and operating freely.
It hasn't been serviced for 50 years.
Yeah. So cleaned all the grease and dirt and stuff out of this inner hub. And we're cleaning that one out right there. This is a good plow. It is an Allis Chalmers 2-bottom plow. I do not know the model, but it's very heavy duty, very well built.
So right now it's up. So the wheel turns on this.
Freely.
Wow.
But when you trip this, then this flips out and it clicks into here, into one of these internal little indents. And then once it lifts up, then this flops back and it disengages that.
Yeah.
And so then it can spin freely. So it spins freely when it's up and when it's down. But when this is tripped, then that thing flips out and then they...
That dog falls down on there.
But there's not any play in that. Man, that's all...
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
Now, time for the wheel. Yeah, slide that in.
There. Now, this is the keeper, so it keeps it tight. I think it's amazing, like we were talking, how without any computers or anything, they designed this stuff to work. And then you tighten it up and see where it comes out. It comes out right there.
Well, and that doesn't have much in and out play.
Yeah, it doesn't. So we're okay.
I'll just put the cap on it.
Everything seems to be working here. So all you gotta do is grease it.
Now on this other side, we just jacked it up and it spins freely, but it does have about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of inward and outward play.
Now,
It's got grease in there.
yeah.
So now, spin it. No, the other way.
Now let's see. You just leave it in here. Tighten it up. See where it comes out. It comes out right there.
Now is that tighter or looser?
It's very tight. Yeah.
Okay, there it is, one tighter. Used to be in that one, and now it's in this one.
Okay.
Yep. So that's a lot better. Okay. Finish lubing that up and it's ready to go. So you can see the lift mechanism here when he pulls the rope, it's going to activate the clutch on that left-hand wheel. Here it goes. There it goes, lifts it out of the ground.